Seems the love I've known has always been the most destructive kind. Guess that's why now I feel so old before my time. Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet as rain upon my tongue. I tasted life as if it were a foolish game. The way the evening breeze made this a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dreamed, the splendid things I planned, I always built to last. On weekend shifting sand, I lived by night and shunned the naked light of day. And only now I see how the years ran away. Yesterday, when I was young, so many happy songs were waiting to be sung. So many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast the time, and you the last ran out. I never stopped to think what life was all about, and every conversation I can now recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. I used my magic gates as if it were a wand, and never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit too quickly died. The friends I made all seemed somehow to drip away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. There are so many songs in me that I won't be sung. I felt the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue. The time has come for me to pay for yesterday when I was young.